Bother. Let me get my piss
Why don't you?
right into the lion's head.
Pack it in. There's nothing to see here.
Classy. Very classy.
Hey, who's there?
Huh? Hearing shit. What the hell was that? Peekaboo!
Scramble at the sight of the man's bed. Something feels strange. It's not my rotting image. Not already. But I was just getting warmed up.